Okay, we have a Bridgeport 2 horsepower variable speed. And it's got a Curt power draw. It's wired 480 currently. Can be wired 220. It's got some Collets with it. It's got the Gatling gun style holder. I want to show you here. It's taking a pretty good video. There's your Curt Vise that comes with it. Look at the ways on this. Chrome ways, folks. 48-inch table. There's still all the scalloping on the table. Let's look at the ways back here. 7-inch riser. Bridgeport power feed. Got a 110 transformer back there so you can plug in instead of running extension cords. Okay, let's run it. I'm going to show you the readout run as well, and the power feed. And we're just running that in manually. Okay, that's really about it. There you go, it just clicked out. And then we can show you we'll turn it off and we'll show you the draw. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching.